In this video, I'm going to go ahead and create an e-cover. Right now we're at the home page, so I'm going to go to create a design, and let's look for the e-cover templates. Okay, so here it says book cover. There's also a CD cover. Let's go ahead and choose the book cover templates. So now let's look at some of the templates that are available for a book cover. You can see that there's quite a few free ones here. This one here is not free. Let's just keep scrolling down. Okay, let's just go with this one here. M. Jane, she wants to play. Let's make this about weight loss. So weight loss tips. And let's change this text to lose weight. Okay, maybe we could add a photo. So let's go to photos. Let's go with flowers. Let's type in food. And this one here looks good. Okay, and maybe we could get another photo. And let's put this up here. Let's change the author name to John Waite Doe. Maybe we can add an exclamation mark to lose weight. And there you go. So if you're happy with it, you just go to download, click on there, and choose the file type. PDF standard suggested. Usually I go with JPEG or PNG, and then just click on download.